Now this is your EVS class. So let's start. In the last classes we have already completed up to page number 131. Okay, this page we have already completed. Okay, some animals like rat, cockroach, pig, bat, crow, squirrel, monkey, spider, lizard, they eat different types of food items. Okay, and next page number 132. All of you open page number 132. Who eats what, and match by drawing lines of different colors. One example is shown. Who eats what, and match by drawing lines of different colors. One example is on this. Okay, this page. All of you open your book, EVS textbook, page number 132. Okay. So first one, that is sparrow, SPARROW, sparrow. Lizard, LIZARD, lizard. Rat, RAT, rat. Human being, HUMAN BEING, human being. Chapati, fruits and vegetables, CHA. All of you mute your microphone. Chapati, fruits, vegetables. Okay, chapati, CHAPPATI, chapati. Next, goat, mosquito, ant, snake, grass. Okay, so next, who eats what, and match drawing lines of different colors. One example is shown. Okay, so first one, that is lizard. Lizard eat mosquito and other insect. Okay, all of you write down in your copy. Lizard eat mosquito and other insect, and lizard eat also ant. Yes. And snake eat rat. Snake eat rat. Snake eat lizard also. Okay, and next, grass. Goat eat grass. Goat eat chapati and fruits. Goat eat chapati. Okay, next, human beings. Human beings eat chapati, fruits and vegetables. Sparrow eat chapati. Sparrow eat chapati, fruits, vegetables. Okay, So first one, lizard. Lizard, mosquito and ant. Snake eat rat and lizard. Goat eat chapati, chapati fruits and vegetables, and goat eat grass. Sparrow eat chapati, fruits, vegetables, and sparrow eat chapati. Okay? Do it first, completed. Okay. You can write down in your book also, Shauri. So next, you have touched and you, yes, you have not touched but you can touch, and next you cannot touch. Okay, do it fast. Completed. So sparrow eat chapati, fruits, vegetables. Sparrow eat chapati. Lizard eat ant, mosquito, and snake eat lizard and rat. Goat eat chapati, chapati, fruits, vegetables, and grass. And human beings eat chapati, fruits, and vegetables. Okay? Very good, Sagotam. So next, then I erase the board. Next that is, write the names of the animals you have touched, you have not touched but you can touch, and you cannot touch. 3 column. Okay, so first one, that is you have touched, that is you have touched. You have touched, you have not touched, you have not. Subhasri, okay, very good. You have not. You have not touched but you can touch. Okay, and third column, that is you cannot touch. You okay, so you have touched 4 animals, that are sparrow, dog, cat, and rabbit. Sparrow, dog, cat, and rabbit. That is sparrow, dog, cat, and rabbit. Okay, next you have not touched but you can touch, that is elephant, horse, camel, and cow. Okay, elephant, horse, camel, and cow. Elephant, horse, camel, and cow. And next, you cannot touch, that's our lion, snake, crocodile and tiger. Lion, snake, crocodile and tiger. Okay? Lion, snake, crocodile, lion, snake, crocodile and tiger. Okay? Lion, snake, crocodile and tiger. Okay? So, write the names of the animals you have touched, that is sparrow, dog, cat and rabbit. Sparrow, dog, cat and rabbit. Next, you have not touched but you can touch, that is elephant, horse, camel and cow. And next, you cannot touch, that is, yes, very good, Shauri, lion, snake, Srijita, very good, snake, crocodile and tiger. Okay? So, completed this work. Do it fast. Do, okay. Okay. So, next, we do not go near some animals for the fear that they may bite us or harm us or eat us up. Okay? We do not go near some animals like snake, tiger, lion, crocodile, because for the fear that they may bite us or harm us or eat us up. Okay? And you have seen that there are some animals whom we can touch, like sparrow, dog, cat. Okay? These often live in our house or around us. They are called pet animals or domestic animals. Of these, a few animals help us in many ways, like cow give us milk, hen gives us eggs and meat, goat give us meat. Okay? So, some animals are very useful to us and some animals we do not go near these animals, like tiger, snake, lion, crocodile, for the fear that they may bite us or harm us or eat us up. Okay? So, next, that is a story. Okay? This page number 133. All of you open your EVS. Yes, page number 133. Okay? This story. All of you open. First, the Queen's Garden. Okay? The story is the Queen's Garden. Read this picture and discuss. Okay? So, first, the gardener, see here is a gardener has brought mangoes, yes, mangoes from the Queen's Garden, and he told the queen told that so many mangoes, very good. Next, the gardener told, Your Majesty, there would have been double the amount if the birds had not eaten them. Okay, the gardener told that Your Majesty, there would have been double the amount if the birds have not eaten them. Next, what did you say? The birds have eaten the mangoes. The queen told. Why did you allow the birds into the garden? The gardener told that, please forgive me, I will not let any bird come into my garden. Okay, please forgive me, I will not let any bird come into the garden. Next year, same process, the mangoes are grown. Next, fewer mangoes are than last year. So many less mangoes are there in the than the last year. Why did you not stop the birds? Why did you not stop the birds from entering the garden? Next, number 7, I stopped them, Your Majesty. I did not let a single bird enter, but this year the insects have eaten the mangoes. If there had been birds, then they would have entered the insects. We would not have lost so many mangoes, because these birds have eaten all the insects, and then the mangoes are very good. Okay, so this is the story. The gardener has brought from the many mangoes from the queen's garden, and next the queen told that, so many mangoes, good, Your Majesty, they would have been double the amount if the birds had not eaten them. And what did you say? The birds have eaten all the mangoes. Why did you allow the birds into the garden? Please forgive me, I will not let any bird come into the garden. And next year, fewer mangoes than last year. Okay, and why did you not stop the birds from the entering the garden? I stopped them, Your Majesty. I did not let a single bird enter, but this year the insects have eaten the mangoes. Okay, and if there had been birds, then they would have eaten the insect. We would not have lost so many mangoes. Okay, so now today's time is over and our chapter is also completed. This is the chapter Our Friends Animals, textbook already completed, and next classes we will start our workbook. Okay, okay, wait, and who are present, response.